For the last 3 years, one question has dominated the drone world. Can we have it all? Can we have a drone that slips into a backpack pocket, weighs less than a candy bar, and still shoots cinema-grade footage? The answer has always been no. Until now. The whispers emerging from Shenzhen are no longer whispers, they are confirmation. DJI is secretly developing a drone so revolutionary, so lightweight, and so impossibly powerful, they're calling it the DJI Neo 2. This isn't the Mini 4 Pro. This isn't an Air Series upgrade. This is rumored to be an entirely new class of drone designed to shatter every expectation about what a sub-250-gram device can achieve. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. It's the drone for the professional who refuses to carry a heavy case. If the specifications we are about to reveal are true, the DJI Neo 2 will instantly make every other sub-250-gram drone obsolete. Are you ready to see the future of ultra-portable aerial filmmaking? Let's tackle the biggest rumor, the impossible fusion of weight and imaging quality. The key leak surrounding the Neo 2 is its sensor. Insiders suggest DJI has engineered a new, highly optimized 1-inch Type CMOS sensor that somehow keeps the entire aircraft assembly comfortably under the critical 250-gram weight limit. This is the technological equivalent of putting a professional DSLR sensor into your phone. Why does this matter? Depth, detail, and true low-light capability. This drone is rumored to deliver 5.4K video at 30 frames per second with a dynamic range that rivals drones 3 times its size. Imagine filming a dramatic sunset or a dark, lush forest, and retaining detail in both the shadows and the highlights. This is a game changer for travel content creators who need professional quality without the regulatory burden. The biggest constraint on mini drones has always been battery life. Small battery, small flight time. Not anymore. The DJI Neo 2 is rumored to feature a revolutionary new battery chemistry, possibly a solid-state polymer, combined with a hyper-efficient propulsion system. Leaks suggest a practical, real-world flight time approaching an unheard-of 45 minutes. Think about that. Nearly an hour of continuous professional-grade capture from a device that weighs less than your sandwich. This eliminates the frantic battery swaps and allows filmmakers to truly immerse themselves in their creative flow. This massive flight time isn't just convenient. It fundamentally changes the way you plan and execute aerial shots. How safe is a light drone? The Neo 2 is rumored to introduce 360-degree fully omnidirectional obstacle sensing in a mini-body for the first time. Current small drones often rely on limited forward or downward sensors. The Neo 2 leak suggests a full array of tiny, lightweight vision sensors powered by the next-generation O3 Plus transmission system and a new onboard processor. This means true, worry-free flight. Imagine flying sideways through a forest or tracking a subject rapidly backward, and the drone autonomously navigates around every tree, every power line, every obstacle. This isn't just collision avoidance. It's a co-pilot that makes complex, risky shots safe and repeatable for beginners and pros alike. The classic remote controller can be bulky. The DJI Neo 2 is rumored to introduce a minimalist, ultra-compact controller that leverages your smartphone's screen power like never before, while providing